I'm having to do physio because I've still lost a lot of movement. I can't walk without a Zimmer frame.
COVID has devastated the life of 34-year-old Graham Horsfall. He's been in hospital since January, away from his family and unable to work.
They told me basically they were going to have to sedate me and put me on a ventilator. And I just kind of went into a bit of blind panic. And the last thing I remember doing is just transferring my wife money, just in case something did happen to me.
Graham says he's living proof removing restrictions can't be rushed.
Why shouldn't we be more cautious about it now to make sure there's not people that are going to be suffering for years to come, having to recover themselves again, having to possibly live off the state because they can't work now.
That's it, all done. Just press that for me, well done.
Vaccination is breaking the link between infection and hospitalisation, and it's now on offer to those under 30.
From tomorrow morning, we will open up vaccination to people aged 25 to 29. Over the remainder of this week, the NHS will send texts to people in these age groups, and of course, GPs will be inviting people on their list to come forward.
The government wants every adult offered a vaccine by the end of next month. Secondary school children could come next, with teenage infections rising fast. This West London classroom's not for lessons, but surge testing.
The process looks the same for the students, but the results are then analysed by a lab, so they're collected by Hounslow and analysed, and it just allows the public health team to identify what strains are, transmitting in the area, which is really important, obviously, from thinking about a public health perspective.
This area and others have rising cases of the new Delta variant. Surge testing and vaccines can hold the spread, but it's tight, and that's why some are calling for caution.
I'm very reluctant to say that we should not go out of lockdown on the 21st of June, but I think the figures are in now, and it would be wise for the government to announce right away a delay in opening, just so that we can all plan for the post-21st of June period.
But a delay would be a hard sell to many. No decisions yet, while data is analysed, and we'll know in a week whether our lives in lockdown are over. Laura Bundock, Sky News.